Hey y'all, it's Stacy with southernbite.com. So here's a question. Is there really a difference between a dry measure and a wet measure? I'm answering that question in today's lesson. So the reality is they both measure the exact same amount. It's really more about the use. Let's start with a dry measure. These are gonna look just like this. You can see I have a couple different kinds here. And they allow us to measure by spooning things into them and leveling them off. They're going to measure the exact amount when they're completely full. Once we level this off, we have exactly 1 cup. Now, let's talk about wet measure. A wet measurement is going to have a spout most commonly, and there's going to be some space between the top measurement line and the top of the vessel. That's because as we're measuring liquids, it gives us a little wiggle room in case there's some sloshing around. We wouldn't be able to measure exactly a cup of flour in this because we couldn't level it off. So it's super important to know the difference and make sure that you're using the right measuring cup for the right ingredient.